Business here. Hurricane Matthew blew out to sea as a weakened system, but it left behind destruction. Several people had to be rescued from the water this weekend. About 20 people died in the U.S., nearly half in North Carolina. The storm surge swamped spots in Florida, waterlogged homes 100 miles inland. Up to 1 million were still without power this morning, and many are still under mandatory evacuation orders. Damage cleanup could top $6 billion. The death toll from Hurricane Matthew rose to 1,000 people. It was the fiercest Caribbean storm in nearly a decade. More than 1 million people need help, with aid arriving in the Southwest. Authorities said there was a great concern that there may be a cholera spreading, and they're focusing on getting water, food, medication to thousands of people living in shelters. But the south of Jermaine, many say little to no help has reached them. Many say they still don't have any power and they need water. Haitian authorities still aren't sure of the extent of the disaster because some communities are still cut off. And a volcano in Japan erupted over the weekend, but they haven't seen any new activity since Saturday. The initial explosion damaged the roof of a cable car station and 1,000 feet from the crater. Japanese officials examined the northeastern side of the mountain yesterday. They say only 1 millimeter of volcanic ash accumulated at most, and it was unlikely to cause a mudslide. But they are restricting entry in a 1 mile radius from the center of the crater.